Hi boys and girls, it's time for math lesson 7.4. We're going to problem solve to compare numbers. Our first story is Cassidy has the number cards shown below. So she has a 47 as a number card. She has a 48, 51, 52, and 54. Those are her number cards. She gives away the cards with numbers less than 49 or greater than 53. Which number cards does Cassidy have now? So first, what do I need to find? I need to find the number cards that Cassidy has now. What information do I need to use? I need to find which cards are less than 49 and which cards are greater than 53. So I need to think numbers are less than 49, I need to cross out. 47 is definitely less than 49, so I cross out 47. 48 is less than 49, I cross out 48. What is greater than 53? 54 is the only one greater than 53, so the cards that I have left are 51 and 52. Those are the cards that Cassidy had left. Go ahead and turn your page. That first problem they did for us, we just worked through it. So let me grab my eraser here while you turn your page. That's what we'll be doing, just little stories, figuring out what we keep and what we get rid of. Tony has these number cards. So Tony has a 15, Tony has a 17, an 18, a 20, and a 22. Listen to Tony's story. He gives away the cards with numbers less than 16 and greater than 19. And then we need to cross those out and find out the number cards Tony has left. So what is less than 16? 15 is less than 16. What is greater than 19? 20 and 22 are more than 19. So the cards that I have left are 17 and 18 should be my answers. Now be careful because the next question doesn't want you to cross out. This time they want you to circle the numbers. Listen to this story. Carol has these number cards. Carol has a 90, 91, 96, 97, and 99. Let's listen to this story about Carol. Carol has these number cards. She keeps, instead of getting rid of this time, we're going to keep numbers greater than 98. What is greater than 98? And we're going to keep numbers that are less than 95. We're going to circle and keep those for Carol. So what is more or greater than 98? 99 is greater than 98. What is less than 95? 90 and 91 are less than 95. So the cards we're going to write in the blank at the bottom, she keeps 90, put a comma between so it's easier to tell your numbers, 91 and 99. Go ahead and flip your page for our next story as I clear my board. Our next story is Felipe. Felipe has these number cards. He has a 58, a 61, 63, 64, and 68. Let's listen to the story of Felipe. It says Felipe has these number cards. He gives away, so this time we're going to cross out, cards that are less than 60. And he gives away cards that are greater than 65. So let's find out what's left. So he's going to give away anything less than 60. The only thing less than 60 here is 58. So we cross out 58. He's going to give away cards that are greater than 65. The only thing greater than 65 is 68. So he's going to keep cards 61, 63, and 64. Let's go to the next question on that page. Let me clear our board again. Now it says Molly, she's going to do two things. Underlines the number cards. First, before we do that, let's get Molly's card. She has a 72, a 75, 78, 82 and 85. She's going to do two actions, so be really careful on this one. She underlines number cards greater than 76. So let's start with that first step. What is greater than 76? 78 is greater, 82 is greater, and 85 is greater. Then she circles numbers less than 84. Some of these are going to be underlined and circled. What is less than 84? 72 is, 75 is, 78 is, and 82. So now we have to find out which cards did she circle and underline. The number cards are both greater than 76 and less than 84. There are two that she circled and underlined. So the answer is 78 and 82 are the two that would fit those descriptions or clues. Go ahead and turn to your last page. We have 3 more questions. It's a shorter lesson today, just lots of steps in it. Our next question says, some cows were in the field. 6 more cows walked there. Then there were 13 cows. How many cows were in the field before? This is a subtraction review. So we know that there now are 13 cows. We can take away the 6 we knew of. And how many cows were there before? You could start at 6 and count up to 13. Start at 13, count backward on your number line. And either way, you should end up with 7 cows were there before. Our next question. Ed has 6 marbles. How many marbles can he put in a red cup and how many can he put in a blue cup? So you get to pick 2 numbers that add up to 6. You could do a double. 3 plus 3 is 6. You could have 0 in one jar and 6 in the other. 6 in one jar and 0 in the other. You could have 2 in one jar and 4 in the other to make 6, or opposite, 4 plus 2. You could also do 1 plus 5, or 5 plus 1. You pick 2 numbers to equal 6. Our last question goes back to our number cards and our clues that we have to follow to find out the correct answer. It says Lainey has these number cards. She has a 22, 27, 23, 21, and 25. And it says write each number in the box to show less than 24 and greater than 24. So this side we have less than 24. Our symbol for that would be like this, less than 24 in this box. And then greater than 24 in this box. And here's our symbol for greater than 24. Okay, let's find the numbers that are less than 24. 22 would go in this box. 23 and 21. What is greater than 24? We would have 27 and 25. If you found that this was a little hard to practice, go ahead and also do the homework part to get extra practice on following the clues to find the correct numbers to keep or to give away.